KNUST-TEK TV. Experience educational television.
WiSTEM Ghana had the 5th edition of the WiSTEM Girls Camp from the 9th to the 13th of September 2024 at KNUST. The 5-day packed program commenced on Sunday with students from 31 selected schools arriving at the Africa Hall, KNUST. Students were registered and given souvenirs and orientation for the program.
I'm Dr. Mrs. Gifty Boache Apia, the chairperson for the school selection committee. We are very excited to receive girls from the Ashanti region and the Western North regions.
My name is Teknewsupdates and I'm coming from Barikesi Senior High School.
I'm Joyce Lembren from Presbyterian Senior High School, Bompata.
Together we inspire generations. The program was officially held on Monday, 9th September 2024 at the Alote Auditorium, College of Science, KNUST. The Vice-Chancellor for KNUST, Professor Mrs. Rita Dixon, gave a welcome address and highlighted the program's significance and purpose.
This year's theme, which I love so much, accelerating progress, investing in girls through STEM education. Leadership and organizers, I salute you for choosing this theme. Very, very apt. And you are sitting there not clapping for me.
She urged stakeholders to support and encourage girls to realize their full potential in STEM-related fields.
Extend my sincerest gratitude to you, WiSTEM Ghana, the organizers, teachers, volunteers, and our ever supportive sponsors. You want to clap for yourself.
The keynote speaker for the 5th edition of the WiSTEM program encouraged the young women to embrace challenges, learn from failures, and never shy away from stepping out of their comfort zone.
And that's something I definitely want you to consider as you move forward on your potential path. One of the other things I remember hearing was that my network is my net worth. And I remember first hearing that and thinking it was quite a corny thing to say, perhaps like a very, very corny advert, but it makes a lot of sense because the people you meet shape your future.
The program continued on Tuesday, 10th September, with a cultural performance from Kumasi Girls Senior High School to embrace the traditions and rich cultural heritage of the land.
Let's welcome them.
According to Professor Mercy Badu, a lead member for WiSTEM Ghana, this program aims to tap into the potential of young girls, enhancing their self-assurance and equipping them for a brighter future.
WiSTEM Girls Camp is basically designed to help unlock the potentials that we have in these young ladies. We want to empower them. We want them to build their confidence. We want them to know that the future is theirs, and then they can do it. And so that is how we put this together, and that is the reason why we have the WiSTEM Girls Camp.
Professor Mrs. Abena Obri-Yeboah, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Kumasi Technical University, advised the girls to use their knowledge and skills to create a better future.
Every challenge you face, every obstacle you overcome, will shape you into the leaders that our world so desperately needs. Ladies, let me remind you that the journey is not just about personal success. No, it is about making a difference in the world and using your talents, skills, and knowledge to create a better future for all. The world is waiting for you, and I have no doubt that you will rise to the occasion. Thank you, and may this camp be the beginning of a journey that takes you to new heights, higher than you have ever imagined. See you at the top, where you belong. Yes, you can.
A representative from Stanbic Bank explained how the company is committed in supporting and empowering girls in STEM-related programs.
This occasion is more than just a gathering. It's a celebration of potentials, a commitment to progress, and a significant step forward in our shared mission to empower the next generation of women leaders in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Mrs. Bernice Sewa Ofosuhine Piasa, the head of counseling unit, KNUST, urged the students to prioritize their mental health as it reflects their social well-being.
People are judging the things you do. People will criticize, people will assess you and give results that you are this or you are that. That's why you pull away. Some of us are naturally laid back. We have temperament differentiations amongst us. Some of us we are naturally cool, laid. That is why it is ordered. Bringing my session to a close. Whenever somebody says, "How are you?" what are the 3 areas you must think about before you respond? Clap for yourselves. Thank you.
Let's have a short and simple exercise before we move on to the next session. Have you seen or heard about Headley, who was needed in the army from the left to the right, from the back to the front? Pay attention. If you want to write it so that you can join your friends when it's time to move into your various assigned cases. And so for KCCR, these groups will be going to KCCR. M, N, P, Q, and GG. M, N, P, Q, and GG. You'll be going to KCCR.
On Wednesday, 11th September, students were grouped into teams and were assigned to perform mini projects under the supervision of their mentors. The program continued as participants were equipped with practical knowledge and technical skills to enhance them in their project work.
have good presentation skills, because it is going to affect your reputation. So your group may have done their best work, their best research, you may have discovered something, but if during your presentation it appears that the presentation is confusing, poorly organized, error-prone, typographical errors, then the audience will see you as a confused, poorly organized, error-prone scientist, right? However, if your presentation, you are eloquent, the facts are flowing, you are most likely to win first prize, right or wrong? Right.
Professor Mrs. Siboko Drew, president for WiSTEM Ghana, admonished the girls to have passion and interest in STEM-related courses to aid them in becoming agents of transformation in the society.
I'm experiencing it from here, that it's not a lie. It's not a lie. But if you will decide, you become that agent, an ambassador in your community. So you see that science will benefit everybody because you are present in that community. I will feed them.
The final works of the participants were presented on Thursday, 12 September, to a panel of judges, showcasing the students' skills and innovative ideas developed through collaboration and mentorship.
That will help you to turn around, and the process is called the tunnel. So you can see, so it will help you join your parts together. Advisable for everybody of us to have some in our bedrooms.
Plasmodium parasites, we know that causes malaria, but then we have 5 main species of the Plasmodium parasite. We have the Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, and Plasmodium knowlesi. In our parts of Africa, the most common ones are the Plasmodium falciparum and Plasmodium ovale.
Always remember to stay calm, stay safe, and call for help. Somebody help me, please, somebody help me, somebody please help me, help me. So start CPR. CPR stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. And now look at me, I have this.
They looked at the malaria and the dengue fever, the two sisters. They gave us a lot of knowledge and insights into how they are transmitted and diagnosed. And there was a tie between group D and H. WiSTEM 2024 goes to group F and
Emerged winners of the project were awarded at the end of the program. To climax the occasion, the president of WiSTEM Ghana, Professor Mrs. Siboko Drew, together with other dignitaries, cut a ceremonial cake to commemorate the program's 5-year milestone. The organizers, stakeholders, students, and teachers shared their experiences and remarks after the program.
I'm Nana Sewa Bosman, the head of youth banking for Stanbic Bank.
I'm Dennis Boatine Champon from Konongo Dumase Senior High School.
Cecily Dimonchia Sante from Agriculture Senior High School.
My name is Joyce Lebrin from Abuaje, and we are from Presbyterian Senior High School, Bompata.
This is Ya Asansa Girls Senior High School. My name is Maria Bebedgu. Noble Ampon Benedicta, a girls' prepared for Agri State College. as well as the SRC Vice President.
My name is Teknewsupdates, and we are students from Efuakobi Ampem Girls Senior High School.
WiSTEM Girls Camp. This year again we had increase in numbers. So we have 30 schools, we have about 320 participants, girls coming from all over, and that is unique.
So we've learned a lot from this program, and we are hoping to have impact on those out there so that they can also have the skills that we got here. Thank you.
My girls really enjoyed their mini project, so we will say thank you to the entire team.
The presentation was superb. WiSTEM did so much great things for us. We were motivated, we were encouraged to go out there and explore.
I've been really inspired. Today I can call myself a microbiologist thanks to WiSTEM. WiSTEM.
Together we inspire generation.
WiSTEM.
Together we inspire
Generation.
STEM.
Together we inspire
Generation.
The students had a get-together feast and departed to their various campuses on Friday, 13th September.
Tech TV. Experience educational television.